Welcome back to another edition of This Week on Channel 9. I'm your host, Christina Warren, Senior Cloud Developer Advocate. And look, I know, the show has been on hiatus for like a month. I was in Brazil, we were busy with build planning, then build happened and we did record an episode, but the audio got messed up. But now we're back and I promise we are ready to bring you the latest dev news. So let's get into it. First up, Microsoft Build took place last week, but if you're still trying to catch up or want to check out some of the sessions you might have missed, we've got you covered. On both the Build website and on our Microsoft Developer YouTube page, we've got all the sessions from Build, all the live and recorded content from Build Live, and all the keynotes. There are hundreds of hours of content on YouTube. Yours truly is working on organizing and tagging all that content to look better and be more easily accessible via playlists. So let us know if we can do more in the comments. For some of the biggest announcements in the Azure world, check out the Azure blog, which has helpfully put together a link collection of everything announced. Thanks, Azure team, for doing that, because there was a lot of stuff. But just because Build is over doesn't mean that we don't have a ton of conferences coming up. Starting next week, the Azure Dev Tour APAC edition, so that's like, Australia, Pacific area, kicks off. Our cloud developer advocates and other Microsoft experts will be in Sydney, Australia, Auckland, New Zealand, Singapore, Seoul, South Korea, and more. Go to aka.ms/devtour to register. It's free and it's going to be a great time. And for Windows fans, the Insider Dev Tour kicks off on June 12th in India and will be traveling across the globe. Check out the show notes for links to all the conferences. In Xamarin Tech News, James Montemagno has a great guide for cross-platform APIs for mobile apps. And John Miller has a terrific guide for updating Xamarin Mac apps to 64-bit. GDPR is a topic that's in the news because it goes into effect on May 25th, and it's going to impact more than just European developers. So to find out what that means for your app or your website, you can watch a countdown, a Prepare for GDPR series, and we'll have links to that below. And Microsoft is also holding a GDPR live webcast on May 25th. In hardware news, Panos Panay announced the Surface Hub 2 this week. It'll be available in 2019, and it looks amazing. It can also kind of go into portrait mode now. I'm super excited about the Surface Hub 2. And now it's time for my pick of the week. Accessibility is something we care a lot about at Microsoft, but it doesn't always get enough attention, especially in gaming. And so the Xbox team this week showed off a new Xbox One accessible controller known as the Xbox Adaptive Controller. And I love what this means because it means that more gamers will be able to game. I love the story about how it came to be. And so you can check out the video in the show notes and learn more about it. And I love it. So keep up the good work, Xbox team, and go accessibility. Well, that does it for me. Join us next week. And if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe for more great content. See you later.